Hello and welcome to CBM Port with me, Chef Bill Mkono. My name is Kowet Mpayas, and you know how we do this. Today I'm making my Kenyan chicken stew. Very easy, very delicious recipe to make. So let's get into cooking. My name is Kowet Mpayas and I'm Motamu Reloaded. I have my ingredients ready. That is my chicken. I have my chopped coriander or dania, crushed ginger, garlic, desiccated coconut, and chili cubes. They are very salty. You have to remember that. I have my diced tomatoes and my diced onions. Manene kowet mbaya. So I will add my diced onions and let them sweat just a little bit until brown slightly. I will add my crushed ginger, garlic. And you have to always remember while you are using garlic, they should never ever burn because it will make your food bitter. I will add my diced tomatoes and sweat them just a little bit. I will add just a little bit of water, but you can always feel free to use any type of stock that you have at your disposal. But this is just a simple using fresh ingredients available, readily available ingredients. I will add my sugar, or you can use honey if you like, or if you have. That one helps in eradicating the tanginess on your tongue when you have swallowed food that is brought about by the acidity of the tomatoes. Maneno kwa wetu mbaya sana. I will add the chili cubes, and as usual, they are very, very salty. Be cautious while using them. Manene Kowet mbaya sana. Just building up on Motamu Reloaded. Manene Kowet mbaya sana. CBM Port. So I'll let the sauce continue reducing. I will add my desiccated coconut, Motamu Reloaded. Nakwambia, you have to keep on building up on the flavor. Keep on building up on the flavor. That is the most essential thing while you are cooking. And you have to cook with a lot of passion and not in a hurry, because everything takes time. Every sweet thing takes time. Manene kwetu mbaya sana. So my sauce is reducing very well, and the tomatoes are breaking down very well. So I will mash the tomatoes very well so that my sauce can be very thick. So I will add just a little bit of water, but you can use stock if you have any type of stock that you have, you can use. So I will let the sauce reduce, and then when ready, I will add my chicken and make sure I stir very well and baste it just a little bit to make sure they are well covered in the sauce so that they can absorb as much flavor as possible. Motamu Reloaded. CBM Port Cooking Blending Memories with me, Chef Bill Mkono. And today we are making Kenyan chicken stew. Very easy, very delicious, exquisite, scrumptious recipe cuisine that you can easily make anywhere, because the ingredients are very, very available. But you can always elevate the flavor if you are a spicy person. Manene kowet baya sana. So I will let the chicken continue cooking. You should always remember that cooking is an art. You have to cook with a lot of passion, with a lot of love. You have to put your voice on that plate. So you should never ever be in a hurry, because every sweet thing takes time, yeah? Every sweet thing. So you have to remember that. Motamu Reloaded, CBM Port Cooking Blending Memories. You know how we do this. We just make sweet, delicious, scrumptious, exquisite meals. Very simple recipes to master. Maneno ni Kowet mbaya sana. Motamu Reloaded. Now, after some time, the chicken is doing very well. It's absorbing a lot of flavor. So I'll baste just a little bit to make sure each and every part is absorbing as much flavor as possible. And you should be simmering to allow the chicken absorb as much flavor as possible from the sauce. You have to remember white meat is always very delicate. So you must always make sure and ensure they are very well cooked because they have a lot of bacteria, and it's very harmful to human beings. So you have to be very cautious while you are handling your chicken or any type of white meat. They have very, very dangerous bacteria. Maneno koet mbaya sana. My chicken stew is doing very well. So I'll continue simmering to ensure the flavor keeps on building up and they absorb as much flavor as possible. After some time, I'm going to add my chopped coriander to finish up. The aroma, this is the finishing part. The aroma is so, so beautiful. Motamu Reloaded. Using fresh ingredients to make very easy recipe, very simple to make cuisine. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. Yes, it's very easy to make, but very, very delicious. Mautamu yenye iko hapa. Mautamu Reloaded. You can take it with rice, ugali, pap in South Africa, fufu in Nigeria. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Mautamu Reloaded with me, Chef Bill Mkono, CBM Port. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana, dank. See you, adios. Let's meet in the next episode.